Hello friends, my name is Aniket Katore and today is 15 July 2023 and today our topic of the discussion is the identifiers and literals in Java. So we first see what is the identifiers and the definition of identifiers. Identifiers are symbolic names. It is used for the identification. They can be a class name, variable name, method name, package name, constant name and more. However, in Java there are some reserved words that can't use to as identifier. For every identifier there are some conventions that should be used before declaring them. Let's understand it with the example of a program. And the example of the Java identifiers are the Hello Java. Hello Java is a class name. Main is a main method. String is a predefined class name. Then next is argument. Argument is a string variable. Then system. System is also predefined class. Then out. Out is a variable name. Then println. Println is also a method. Then there are some rules and the convention for the declaring of the identifiers. In Java, if the identifiers are not properly declared, we may get a compile time error. Therefore, we declare the identifier is in their rules and convention. Following are some rules and convention for declaring identifiers. A valid identifier must have a characters means identifier is between capital letter A to Z or small or lowercase letter a to Z. Numbers is 0 to 9 and underscore or a dollar sign. For example, at the Java point is a not valid identifier because it contains a special characters which is a dollar sign. There should not be any space in the identifier. For example, Java point is another invalid identifier. An identifier should not contain a number at a starting. For example, 1 to 3 Java point. It is also invalid identifier. An identifier should not be length of 4 to 15 letters only. However, there is no limit on its length, but it is good to follow the standard convention. We can't use the Java reserved keywords as identifier, such as int, float, double, char, etc. because the size of these reserved keywords are fixed. We can't change the size of these reserved keywords, so we can't use the keywords as identifiers in Java. For example, int double is in a valid identifier in Java. An identifier should not be any query language keywords such as select, from, count, delete, insert, etc. In Java, literals is a notation that represents the fixed value in the source code. In lexical analysis, literals of the given type are generally known as tokens. In this selection, we will discuss the term literals in Java. In Java, literals are the constant value that appear directly in the program. It can be assigned directly to the variables. Java has various types of literals. The following represent the literals. Literals in Java. There are 4 types of the literals. First one is an integer literal. Second one is a character literal. And third one is a boolean literal and string literal. In integer literal, we declare integer a is equal to 4. It is the type of integer literal. Characteristic literal. In characteristic literal, we declare a character ch is equal to a. It is a character literal. Then boolean literal. In boolean, we store the value of true or false. Example, boolean a is equal to true. That is the boolean literal or string. In string, we store the multiple lines value or characteristics like hello words dot java in strings. This is the string literals. Thank you, friends.